Hello my friends, today I'm going to test a VS test that is, speakers. These are the Celestion Ditton 15XR VS the B&W DM2 Mark II. I cannot do VS test in my bedroom because it is too small, you know, so the VS tests are still also now and also in the future in my living room. And this is the total what you see over here, complete, all four speakers together, and in the middle my big subwoofer audio table. And well, let us start with the test. You know, too much talking is good for nobody. Then I start with the BMW, and this is how the BMW sound, and I start with a beautiful voice.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci sento a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci sento a dolcino d'amor. Non più avrai questi bei panacchini, quel cappello leggero galante, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante, quel milionesco color, quel milionesco color. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, quel cappello, quella chioma, quell'aria brillante. Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci sento a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, ma ci sento a dolcino d'amor. Fra guerrieri può far pacco, quando stati stretto sacco, schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, l'uso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante. Ed invece del fandango una mancia per il fango, per montagne, per valloni, con le nevi e salioni, al concerto di tromboni, di bombarde e di cannoni, che le porre tutti i tuoni all'orecchio fan fischiar. Non più avrai quei pennacchini, non più avrai quel cappello, non più avrai quella chioma, non più avrai quell'aria brillante.
Still the Celestions. B&W, still the B&W. Celestion. One more song to be 100% sure. What is your favorite speaker? Still the Celestion? B&W? B&W, my friends. Celestion. B&W. Well, my friends, thanks for watching. I hope you made your mind up. These are the Celestions. Beautiful speakers, but they both are beautiful speakers. But I prefer, for me, the B&Ws. I think. I'm not. Yes, I'm sure, because another one claim they sound, the Celestion sounds too harsh in my ears, too forwarding, but with the intention only to play. I miss some bass in the Celestion, and that is strange because they have that, well, that passive speaker. And from the speakers with a passive woofer, normally they have a more deeper bass, you know, in general. If I remember that those Kev's Charlton 3, those one, also with a passive woofer went much deeper than these Celestials. But with a sub, probably they are okay. One more time the B&W. Thanks for watching, put those thumbs up, and I hope you like this video, and for now I say ciao ciao.